All right, so I already know a lot of y'all probably like, DaVinci is capping, but I am sincerely not at all. This is not like a clickbait video or anything like that. And I'm gonna try to describe or explain to you guys what I mean when I'm selling my sneaker collection. It's very self-explanatory. I know a lot of people like, oh, you're selling every single sneaker. If you're not selling every single sneaker, then you're capping. So I'm gonna kind of explain to you guys today why I'm selling my collection, what that money is going towards, and what my goals are as far as how many sneakers I want to keep in my sneaker collection, I guess you could say. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video, man. Today I'll show you guys around the man cave or whatever, and pretty much explain to you guys why I'm selling my sneakers. Now I know, like I said in the beginning of the intro, y'all like, yo, you capping, you're not gonna do it. But this is not the first time I sold my sneaker collection, which is crazy. It's been multiple times where I have bulk sold. It's been plenty of times where I actually sold sneakers every so often. So right now I have an Instagram page called DaVinci_closet where I'm selling a lot of these pairs that I'm just randomly selecting, throwing them on the site. But I don't want to go all the way into where I got like 200 pairs of shoes on my Instagram before selling one. So it's gonna be kind of distracting. So I'm only gonna do like 4 or 5 at a time, move those pairs, and then move on to the next one. And hold on real quick, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, and please drop a comment down below. Let me know how many shoes you have in your collection, because this right here is too much, bro. Look at this. It's just way too many sneakers, bro. Like way too many. You got pairs over there that I don't even look at anymore. We got pairs on the displays over here. We still got shoes over here too, bro. We got too many shoes, man. Too many, bro. And it's getting to a point where I gotta say enough is enough, because I don't want to be to where I have a whole, like, that's enough right there. That alone is 120 pairs of sneakers alone. Like, and you gotta think about all the other sneakers on the shelves, the boxes. It's just out of hand, you know what I'm saying? So this is like an unscripted video. This is a video to help me help y'all, let y'all know that I have a lot of shoes that's gonna be going up on my Instagram, DaVinci_closet, where I'm gonna be selling a lot of these shoes for way under market value, like way under market value. You guys come test me, come check it, you know what I'm saying? But please do not waste my time. Like, I've had so many people hit me up saying, yo, I'm gonna buy the shoe. You know what I'm saying? They be like, yo, what's the Cash App? What's your PayPal and all this good stuff? And I send it, and it's like 3-4 days later, and it's crickets. It's a ghost town, you feel me? So if you guys are really interested in buying some shoes, please let me know. I know I have these on the site right now. Not on the site, but on Instagram, I have the Win Like 96s right here, as you guys can see. I also have, what else I got on there? I also have the Air Jordan 1 denims. They going for under retail right now, so hit me up if you want them. Like I said, I'm be weeding through the collection, you know what I'm saying, seeing what I want to let go. So like I said in the intro, a lot of y'all probably like, yo, why are you selling everything? Because I don't want to have 500 pairs of shoes. That's the main reason. Main reason number uno, you feel me, is I don't want to have 500 pairs of shoes to where like I don't wear, because I already know I have like a couple of go-tos. Pretty much I'm wearing what is out, what is new, because I want to get some dope fits out of course. You know, of course you gotta have your OGs, your grails, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta have the Bread 11s, you gotta have the Concords, you gotta have the Big Bangs, you feel me? But I don't have to have 500 OGs or those go-tos, if that makes sense. I only want to have like a good, 50 to 75 range, you feel me? Like 50 to 75 pairs of shoes is enough for me. And right now I'm like 2 times over that. I don't know if you guys checked out my collection video. I dropped an entire sneaker collection video. That joint took me 3 hours to film, like literally 3 hours worth of footage. I shortened it all the way down to 45 minutes. I cut some stuff out, but like I was talking too long, and now that's how I got it down to 45 minutes. But a lot of shoes, like I said, if you guys want to come grab them, man, please come check my temperature, come check my energy. I'm be letting a lot of stuff go. It's just kind of overwhelming. We have so many shoes. I know the ones I want to keep, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got to keep the Carmines. Like, the Carmines got to stay. You know, I got like 5 pairs, but that's for a reason. The Carmines stand for a reason, you feel me? I'm keeping all of them, the 2014, the 2021 pair, all of them, bro. I have to. Like, OGs like this, bro. Like, you can't go wrong with having the He Got Games and, sneakers like that. There's also a lot of shoes I picked up recently to where, like, I feel like I can't let them go. But I'm trying to keep it under that, 75 to 50 range. Because, bro, this is way too many shoes. Like, bro, it's getting out of hand. And I keep on telling y'all, I'm selling my entire Yeezy collection. I have 2 pairs of Yeezys over there right now that I'm like, yo, please just throw me a price at this point. I want under market value. Like, I don't want y'all to be like, oh, I'm gonna give you 100, but like, come on, bro, like, just be realistic. But I can definitely guarantee you that the prices I give you will be under any market that you check. But you guys already know, of course, man, like shoes like this that I just got, like I can't sell them, you feel me? Like I gotta rock them a couple times, and then, you know, we can go ahead and move them if possible. But the mocha browns with that pink hit, hey, these definitely gonna be some keepers. It's gonna be in that 50 to 75 range as well. Oh, and I also got the cream Yeezys on my IG right now, available for sale. Like I said, hit it up, the vintage_closet. Come get you a pair of Yeezys for a steal. These are barely worn. Like, of course, they're gonna be, you know, a little dirty at the bottom if you worn them. But other than that, super clean pair of cream Yeezys. Come tap in. I know a lot of people always ask me, is like sneakers an investment? It definitely is. It has helped me multiple times whenever I want to make large purchases. I just get about 20, 40, you know what I'm saying, pairs of shoes, sell them, and use that money towards whatever I'm trying to do. If you guys not know now, I'm trying to put money back into the channel, and I'm also trying to put money into my clothing brand to where, you know, I can come out with better products, newer items, better inventory, better camera quality, all that good stuff that kind of can help, you know, better the YouTube channel, better my clothing brand, and just anything else in general that I need extra funds for. I don't have to dig in my own pockets. I can just go into my own little sneaker investments back here, sell a couple pairs, and that could definitely benefit you as well. If you ever want to, you know, start something up new and you have, you know, 100+ shoes, just sell about, you know, 50 of them things, and you be good to go. Got some extra cash and you ready to hit the road, man. The main reason why I wanted to drop my sneaker collection video is because I knew at one point this year I was going to start selling a lot of shoes. I know I didn't want to keep all of these sneakers. Like I said, man, trying to stay around that 50 to 75 range. That's gonna be my goal for the rest of the year, and that's gonna be my goal for years to come. Trying to keep it between that 50 to 75 range. It's gonna be a lot of OG colorways in there. There's only gonna be a couple of those, like I guess you could say heaters or hype sneakers, because bruh, when you got all these shoes, it gets overwhelming. It gets a little too much, and it just takes up a lot of space, and you can't wear 250 pair of sneakers at once. That's kind of what went into it as well, along with me putting the money back into my brand, putting it back into the YouTube channel, and all that good stuff. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in to today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated. Like I said, if you want to buy some sneakers from your boy, go hit me up, the vintage_closet. I promise y'all gonna get some steals and some deals, and a lot of these shoes are gonna be going for under or way under market value, man. So subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. It's always greatly appreciated when I can read you guys' comments, respond to y'all, and get a good, you know what I'm saying, interaction going as far as sneakers. That's what we're here for. We're talking about sneakers, nothing else, nothing more. So let's keep that positive energy going all 2023, and let's keep pushing out this content to the Vintage Squad, man. Again, man, I appreciate everybody tapping in. And with all that being said, hey, come buy my shoes.